This old guy DIY video has to do with the saga of trying to remove the bank 2 position 2 oxygen sensor from the 1998 Camaro. So this Camaro had a problem accelerating, and it would not go over 50 miles an hour the first time, and after that it would only go over 20 miles an hour in 4th gear. So anyway, took it to the Chevy dealer. They said all 4 O2 sensors were throwing code, so we should replace them, and it showed this one as being dead. So we started out with this little kit that has a glorified crow's foot. What we learned on this thing is when the oxygen sensor seems like it's been there since the dawn of time, this thing will just spread out and actually slip around it. So this proved to be useless. And our technique at the end was to remove this whole front part of the exhaust assembly right off of the exhaust manifolds, and then we just clipped the wires here on the old one. I took an open-end wrench and just snapped the ceramic from the inside. This is what the pieces look like over here. So I just took the open-end wrench, put it on the end and snapped it so I could put a 22mm socket on it with an impact wrench. And the only gun we had that had enough ass to make it happen was this Milwaukee Fuel 1/2-inch drive impact, and it made short work of the front 2. These 2 right here came off beautifully after I had cut the wires and snapped this off so we could just go on with the impact. And this one over here required the hot wrench. So we heated it up. Took about 4 minutes of heating. Everything was smoking pretty well. And then I put the pipe wrench on it. And with the excellent Harbor Freight pipe wrench and some beating with the mallet, I was able to get a hold of it. And this is what that little stub looks like that's left. That's an oxygen sensor from 1998 that we hope is the root cause of the problem with this car. So we'll continue on, put her back together and see if it runs.